I'm Amber.
And Julie.
Today is Friday, June 25th, and we're excited that you're here.
And we are Quilts Plus. So listen up, we got some things to tell you about.
Today we're back celebrating summer again. I'm going to show you some fabrics that we have picked out. These are by Quilting Treasures. They have sailboats on them in all different colors. We've got catamarans, we've got multi-sailboats, and you can tell how much I know about sailboats because I really am at a loss of what to say about them, other than they're darn cute. And if you pan over to the other side, we have more sailboats. Now these look like tall ships to me. If you've ever been to South Haven when the tall ships are in town, they have all those sails, but those are also very sharp. And we have some nice coordinating fabrics to go with this. And one of the things that we put out here, we showed this the other day, but easy peasy 3-yard quilts. This actually has a lot of nice quilts that could feature a big print. And that's what we brought those out to show you, or why we brought that out to show you again. I think that any of these would be great with the sailboats or the rocks. We've got rocks here too. These remind me of being in Petoskey, looking for Petoskey stones. And then if you want to come down here, Julie, we have Beachcomber. Now this is a wool pattern that we have. It's actually a kit, not just a pattern, and it makes a 13-inch round table topper featuring seashells. Very cute. And the fabrics are wonderful to go with it. The wool fabrics, many different colors, and they're the same ones that are in the pattern, so that would work well for you. I hope you enjoyed our presentation today. Hope to see you soon. This is Amber at Quilts Plus. Our number is 269-383-1790. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 10 to 5, and Saturday from 10 to 3.